Coursera is one of the leading websites for online courses. Build skills with courses from top universities like Yale, Michigan, Stanford, and leading companies like Google and IBM. Join Coursera for free and learn online. We find for you the best 3 courses on Coursera that you have free access to. For more details about Coursera and these courses, you have the link in the description. Enjoy the video. On number 3 is Introduction to Social Marketing course from Yale University. 50,000 people already enrolled this course. This course lays the foundation of social media marketing. You'll learn what social media marketing entails, including the history and the different social media channels that exist. You'll learn how to select a social media channel that fits your needs, set goals and success metrics, and determine who your target audience is. Whatever level of knowledge you start with, this course will help you build a solid foundation for social media marketing and gain applicable skills that will allow you to make your social media marketing efforts more successful and noticeable. Learners don't need marketing experience but should have basic internet navigation skills and be eager to participate and connect in social media. On number 2 is Excel Skills for Business course from Macquarie University. 270,000 people already enrolled this course. This specialization is intended for anyone who seeks to develop one of the most critical and fundamental digital skills today. Spreadsheet software remains one of the most ubiquitous pieces of software used in workplaces across the world. Learning to confidently operate this software means adding a highly valuable asset to your employability portfolio. In the United States alone, millions of job advertisements requiring Excel skills are posted every day. Research by Burning Glass Technologies and Capital One shows that digital skills lead to higher income and better employment opportunities. In this specialization, learners develop advanced Excel skills for business. Upon completing the 4 courses in this specialization, learners can design sophisticated spreadsheets, including professional dashboards, and perform complex calculations using advanced Excel features and techniques. On number 1 is Programming for Everybody course from the University of Michigan. Over 2 million people enrolled this course. This course aims to teach everyone the basics of programming computers using Python. We cover the basics of how one constructs a program from a series of simple instructions in Python. The course has no prerequisites and avoids all but the simplest mathematics. Anyone with moderate computer experience should be able to master the materials in this course. This course will cover chapters 1 to 5 of the textbook Python for Everybody. Once a student completes this course, they will be ready to take more advanced programming courses. For more details about Coursera and these courses, you have a link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.